Welcome back. It's now time for Midday Sports.
Coach of Calabar High and Hydel High's track and field team, Cory Bennett, has said that this season is likely his last as a dual coach. Bennett guided Hydel High to their second Girls Champs title in 3 years in March and also helped Calabar to a second place finish behind winners Kingston College. He was speaking on Hits 92 FM Sports Grill on Monday with host Garfield Jones.
I think I'm going to focus on one. I think all the signs are shaping that I'm going to just be focusing on one next year.
You want to tell us which one?
No, not right now. But, if I had both schools in one place, that would be better for me.
Paris Saint-Germain took a big step towards reaching the UEFA Champions League final after an Ousmane Dembele goal earned them a 1-0 victory over Arsenal at the Emirates in a tense first-leg semi-final match on Tuesday. Dembele fired home off the post in the 4th minute as PSG dominated the opening stages and Luis Enrique's side held firm to take a precious advantage back to the French capital. Should PSG protect their advantage next Wednesday at home, they will face either Inter Milan or Barcelona in Munich. Barcelona will host Inter Milan in their first-leg semi-final match today. Meanwhile, Arsenal, who comfortably beat PSG 2-0 in the early days of the league phase in October, are playing in the semi-final for the first time since 2009. And finally, several players from across the island got the opportunity to impress overseas coaches and scouts at a Jamaica National Tackle Football Association All-Star Game held at the Ashenheim Stadium at Jamaica College recently. Executive Director of the National Tackle Football Association of Jamaica, Jerome Harriott, further explained the reason behind staging the All-Star Game.
And some of these kids are being tapped in to possibly for collegiate scholarship in the next few weeks. And also some of the other guys, some of the older guys are being looked at by the NFL IPP programs and other professional programs around the country, around the world.
He added that the opportunities are not limited to college scholarships.
The sport is probably the best possible sport for young ladies and young men. Flag football for the young ladies, tackle football for the young men, to move on to the United States, to travel the world, to earn money while they're in school, you understand, and earning their degree.
Meanwhile, the All-Star Game, which featured players between ages 18 to 21, ended nil-all between Team Blue and Team Grey. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
And that concludes the Midday News Package. I'm Kerry-Ann Simpson. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.